mean, it's a really cool car. It's definitely got a lot of positives. It's been sitting under a lean-to for the last, God knows, 50 years. But the style of late 60s, early 70s is really, really neat. And the body really doesn't appear to be in that bad a shape. I mean, the more I walk around it, I'm finding more problems. I'm seeing right over here that, again, this side of the cab was bonded to the splash shield and it is popping, and that is a sheet of fiberglass. So, right there, no bonding. Yep. But I bet you if we go up here, it'll stick, which it does. Another way to tell if you don't have a magnet, you can knock. And hear how it gets way more solid? That means there's filler. The hollow sound means it's still metal. It's better to do it on a door. That's all filler. And that's not. So I'm gonna guess, oh, and it falls off a little bit there. But up here, it sticks.